Hello, I will show you how to clean your phone case. If you have this type of phone case, it's a silicone one, it's transparent, it may have turned yellow in time, so you will want to clean this. One way to do it is using white vinegar. Just need to take the white vinegar and pour it in hot water. And then you just need to take a phone case and put it in the water for about 30 minutes. Then you just need to clean it with a sponge. To clean the borders, the best way to do it is using a toothbrush. Once it's clean, you just need to dry it. And that's the first step of cleaning your phone case. So after cleaning it with the white vinegar, this is how the phone case looks. You may notice that it's still a bit yellow, so don't worry, this is perfectly normal. We will now get to step 2 and remove this color completely. Step 2 is going to Amazon. You search for a transparent phone case made for your phone. For me, it's a Redmi Note 8 Pro. Once you are sure that the phone case is compatible for your phone, you add it to your cart and then you buy it. Next step is really easy. You just need to unpack your phone case. See that? Like this. And then your phone case is absolutely clean and white and transparent. Like so.